Hello, teacher Millie and my dear classmates. Tonight I'm going to talk about the album of selfies, doing shares and errands. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. And I good at cleaning for or what? I always have to wash the dishes because I am married and this is my task. Everything, all day, all time. Okay. I like washing my daughter's clothes because for me it's very important to wash my daughter's is clean your clothes to my husband and me always. Nails done. Okay, I like to spend time with my daughter. I like to play. I like to listen to music. I like to teach English for different songs and different games. But this is a task for important because she like to, Mom, please clean my nails. Please paint my nails. So this is my favorite spend. This is my favorite hobby with she, and this is a second stats with she. And I love studying. What else can I do? Okay, this is a finally task in my day all the day because for me it's very important to study everything to university. Not I like to learn in English every day, and this is my favorite hobby in my day, only the night, because it's only free time in my day. It's only on the night. Okay, teacher, thank you so much for your attention and bye.